Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off call waiting on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you want to put incoming call on hold or waiting while you're on active call on your Samsung Galaxy A54, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the phone app. On the phone app, locate and click on Recent. Once you select Recent, click on the three dots at the top right. Select Settings. Now on the Settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Supplementary Services. Once you click on that, you want to hang on. So this might take a couple of seconds for the Supplementary Services setup to open. So you just need to hang on and make sure the Supplementary Services page is not closed. Once open, locate Call Waiting and toggle this on. Now once done that, you should see the Call Waiting turned on. Then come down to the second service provider, turn on Call Waiting. Now, if you want to disable or turn off call waiting on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, just come here, click on this to disable it, toggle this off to disable it, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off call waiting on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.